Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. So in today's video, I'll be making smothered pork chops in a creamy, amazing mushroom gravy. Now, let's cook. Now guys, I'll be patting the pork chops dry with paper towel and just place them back on the board to be seasoned. And guys, forgive my voice at the beginning of the video. I had just got up and yeah, I was just a bit stuffy. Okay guys, to season the pork chops, you're going to be needing chopped garlic in oil. You'll also be using some Cajun season, black pepper, onion powder, and thyme. And I'm just going to let that well marinated, guys. You can always marinate it from the day before or a couple hours in advance. Mine was about 30 minutes because I just didn't have the time. So you just want to set that aside, guys. Now I'll be breading my pork chops because I do want my pork chops to be crispy. Yeah, I really do. So I'm going to be breading it in flour, practically the same seasoning I used to season the pork chops, minus the thyme. So on medium heat in a skillet, you want to pan fry your chops for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they have that beautiful golden brown crust that you're looking for. Then you want to finish it off in the oven, guys, because any longer on the stove, it will just burn it and it will still be raw. And we are dealing with pork, not beef, not lamb, pork. Okay? All right. And remember, the internal temperature for a fully cooked pork is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Now guys, on a wire rack, you want to place your pork chops and you want to cook those in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Moving on to our sauce, I'm using chopped mushroom and onion, and you want to place those in a skillet with chopped garlic and you want to saute those until they are tender. Guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed as yet, please go and do so and help your girl out. Remember to like, and please go and follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Now guys, I'll be adding a tablespoon of flour and this is going to thicken the gravy. Now it's time to add the beef stock, guys, and this is 1 cup of beef stock. I'll also be seasoning it with salt and pepper. Then we're gonna add our half and half. And this is just going to give it a creamy, it's just going to give it this creamy taste, guys. You can use half and half or heavy cream if you guys have whipping cream. And our gravy is just about ready, guys. Now I'll be serving this over a bed of rice. On this side we have broccoli and carrot. And there you have it, guys. Dinner is served. I do hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.